Do you want to unpin WhatsApp chat? You can unpin someone on WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to unpin WhatsApp chat. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Unpinning a chat on WhatsApp means removing it from the top of your chat list, where it had been fixed for easy access. To unpin a chat on WhatsApp, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you are in WhatsApp, navigate to the chat screen where your conversations are listed. Look for the chat you want to unpin. Pin chats are located at the top of the chat list and have a pin icon next to them. Now, press and hold the chat you want to unpin until a menu appears at the top of the screen. If you are using an iPhone, swipe right on the chat you want to unpin. Tap the unpin icon from the menu options that appear. The pin chat will now be unpinned and return to its usual place in your chat history. By following these simple steps, you can easily unpin a chat from your WhatsApp chat list.